Hey friends, if you wish to create a web page shortcut using Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So open Microsoft Edge and go to the website. Let's say the website is geekchamp.com and hit enter. Now wait, minimize it, go to the desktop. Okay, simply, this is the shortest way, simply pull this lock to the desktop and it will create a shortcut. Now we will close Edge and I'll double click on this. Okay, it will open it on the default browser. So in my case, the default browser is Firefox, but you can change the default browser. So right click on the start button, select settings, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and select default apps, and then scroll down and find Microsoft Edge. Click on this. Okay, and what is the nature of this file? We'll check it. It is a URL file, so we will make sure that for HTTP files and other URL files, the default browser is Edge. Okay, now we will try and open this once again and see it opens in Microsoft Edge. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.